high pressure. Standard volume. Includes optional plus 25 psi high-pressure spring for the COPO Camaro engines. Stock volume, 10 psi increase in pressure over M295 oil pump. Uses 7/8 diameter standard bolt on screen. Oil pump, wet sump, internal, standard volume, high pressure, GMLS series, each. Top reviews from the United States. Quality pump. Inferior instructions. Pump works great. But they fail to mention to finger tight the bolts and rotate the engine 360 degrees and then torque the housing bolts. Learned this the hard way. Totally my fault, but should been in the introductions that come with the pump.